Let's face it, supply chain today is more complex than ever. What's true in your data now might change tomorrow. Whether from geopolitical shifts, natural disasters, rare earth mineral shortages, tariffs, or sudden product discontinuations. Because of these uncertainties, many companies turn to the open market to close supply gaps and avoid late deliveries. But that decision comes with a major risk: counterfeit components. Without traceability or a reliable golden sample for comparison, distinguishing genuine parts from counterfeits becomes extremely difficult. And once a golden sample disappears, it's gone for good. That's where the Accuris and chipsID partnership makes the difference. Together, we simplify complex problems with engineering-driven solutions. We empower designers with accurate product lifecycle intelligence, and we inform them to take action by cataloging and preserving golden samples before they vanish forever. Let's take a look at how it works.
As a component engineer, you may receive a request for a part like the TPS63900 DSKR, a high-efficiency buck-boost converter from Texas Instruments. Your checklist includes lifecycle status, availability, and lead time. But remember, those checks only reflect a moment in time. That's why capturing and cataloging a golden sample during the design phase should also be a standard part of your process for an effective future counterfeit mitigation, if need be, should a potential supply disruption occur or obsolescence. Here we are in Accuris Parts Intelligence tool. The interface is clean and intuitive. There are multiple ways you can search for a part with keyword or parametric search if you don't already have a part number. In our case, we do have part number TPS63900DSKR, so let's enter that into the search field and hit enter. On the results screen, you can see the exact match part number and its manufacturer, along with other quick glance information such as inventory, years till end of life, REACH and Roche compliant. Let's go ahead and click on the matched part number. This screen is all about the part. Slew of attributes extracted directly from the datasheet into a user-friendly table, from operating temperature, MSL, reliability info, and so much more. If there were a PCN for a die change, then it would also be captured under Alert section. Since our focus is on golden sample reference, it can be found under Additional Info section. There it is, golden sample. For every part, you are literally 2 clicks away to get to the golden sample. If you recall, simply search for the part number, click on the matched part number, then click on Additional Info. Note to keep in mind that Accuris and chipsID partnership only focuses on semiconductor commodity at the moment for golden sample, because it is the highly targeted commodity for counterfeit and also the most complex commodity to achieve high confidence of authenticity without a golden sample reference. There are 2 values under the golden sample attribute: view at chipsID and request part from chipsID. View at chipsID indicates that chipsID already has a golden sample with a specific date code stored in their database. Request part from chipsID means the part is not yet available, and you can request chipsID to obtain and catalog a golden sample. But don't wait until it's obsolete, where both will be out of luck. There isn't much to see with request part from chipsID other than it redirects you to service request form. Let's go ahead and click View at chipsID for this part, since it looks like they do have a golden sample. The link directs you to chipsID Golden Sample Store, also known as the GS Store, where you can view a sample of what the report would look like before adding the report to cart for checkout. The Golden Sample Reference Report includes the following 6 high-resolution images: top view, bottom view, components leads, X-ray, die topography, dark field, die topography, bright field. This golden sample has a date code of 2339. It may not match the exact date code you need, but it still provides a valid and reliable reference point. While die changes are uncommon, they do occur. Without a golden sample, verifying authenticity becomes harder because it's difficult to compare the die topography before and after a change, even when a PCN is available.
Now let's take a look at the world's first collaborative golden sample database from chipsID with its epic features. Effective, proactive, privacy-focused, intuitive, and collaborative. For subscribers, the database provides access to a shared library of commercial off-the-shelves, COTS parts, so there's no proprietary design info is compromised or disclosed, both those requested by other users for chipsID to catalog, and those chipsID adds regularly as part of its ongoing growth. Using the same example of the buck boost regulator, enter part number TPS63900DSKR into the search field. Make sure you have the part number filter selected. The matched result will appear where you can click on View Part. At the View Part landing page, you'll see all 6 high-resolution images for the component. Click on any image to enlarge or view full screen button. chipsID also simulates the Keyence digital microscope experience, where you can hover around to examine the die in high res. Additional details about the part, such as country of origin, supplier, date code, and lot code, are listed at the bottom of the page. Let's go back and look at the privacy feature, which allows subscribers to keep their own parts hidden from other users. These parts are typically devices under test, DUT, and should always remain private so they're not mistaken for golden samples. Clear the search field and type in the last 5 digits of the 17-digit unique ID that chipsID assigns to all subscribers for privacy. The database will automatically filter to all parts under the unique ID. Keeping the unique ID in place. Here's another example. Type in part number LM2733YMF. From the results, any DUT or golden sample associated to the part number will appear. You will notice that the DUT has red warning statement as watermark to avoid confusion for golden sample. Here you can see that the subscriber provided the golden sample and the DUT to chipsID for comparison down to the die level. To compare, simply check the compare box for each part. First selected checkbox will appear in the left-hand side. Second selected checkbox will appear in the right-hand side. Once your selection is made, click Open Compare. 6 high-resolution images will be shown side by side for your inspection comparison. To enlarge the image, simply click on it. To close the enlarged image, simply click on it again. When you're done with comparing, click on Close Compare, Clear Selection, clear out the part number, and filter ID. The database is now ready for your next component search. By offering a unique interactive experience unavailable anywhere else for counterfeit mitigation inspection, you show customers that you're continually pursuing more effective ways to elevate quality and that it remains your top priority. It also gives auditors confidence that you have a strong, actionable counterfeit mitigation plan in place. Oh, there's one more thing worth mentioning. chipsID decapsulated thousands of parts in its database without using a single drop of traditional acid-based methods. This proprietary in-house process significantly enhances the effectiveness and safety of counterfeit mitigation inspections. So what do you think? Our tools are ready. Are you ready to use them to protect your business? If you want to be part of a truly effective solution in the combat against counterfeit electronics, contact us at Accuris or chipsID. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.